Hey PipSnipers crew, back for another update on Quant. We're going to be taking a look at Quant, DXY, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dominance. We're just going to do a quick rundown because I just want to show you what I see on the charts here. So everything is playing out perfectly for Quant, okay? So if we drop down to the daily, we can see that we're doing our A, B, and then we're in our C leg, and then within our C leg, we have our 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're working on our 5th leg, and then within those waves, we have subwaves. Okay, we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're working on our wave 5. So we're on our wave 5 of our wave C. Okay, hopefully that makes sense for you. Let's drop down to the 15-minute time frame. Let's actually go to the Quant Bitcoin pair, Quant USD on Coinbase. Okay, let's just delete some of the things here. Now we had our perfect. So this is what it looks like here. We had our perfect A, B, and our C leg right there. Okay, let me just put this down to a lesser degree. And our C leg perfectly touched our 1.236. Okay, you see how it perfectly touched this 1.236? Perfectly touched it. And usually C legs touch the 1.236, or they equal 100% of the A leg. So we can confirm that this is the bottom of our wave 4, like I said it would be, because our C leg, or our corrective move, ends at the 1.236. So we can confirm that this is our bottom of wave 4. Okay, so it would actually look like this over here. Let me just zoom out a bit. Go drop down to the 4 hour. This would be your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we can start our wave 5 up to about 195. Okay, go down to the 4 hour here. Drop down to the 1 hour. Okay, so now what are we doing? We finished our A, B, C. Now all we're doing is starting our third leg, our third wave up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all the way up at about 195. And we can see where our third leg goes to by taking a fib retracement. Where does our 1.618 take us to? About 174. And then we have a slight pullback for our wave 4. Maybe down to the 0.382. And then we blast off to this area, 1.618 area, or our 0.618 area, around 180. Okay, so right now guys, we're just working on our third wave. We successfully completed this wave 4 right here. Okay, so we finished our A, B, C. Now we're working on our 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our wave 5. Okay. Okay, so something like that. That's just a rough estimate of where I think we will head to. And then what we can do from there is we would see a pullback or a correction. Okay. Hoping it goes to 100 so I can load up my bags there once I sell over here in this area. So that is your take profit zone. Okay. Let's take a look at DXY. Okay, so for DXY we had our, let's drop down to the 30-minute time frame. We had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with our wave 5 extended. And then what I think we're doing over here is we're having our A, B, C. Now where could our C leg hit? We can find that out. Our 1.618 is at 113. And if we take a fib from here to there, our golden, where is our golden pocket zone? Our golden pocket zone is over here. Okay. And you can clearly see that we're showing some signs of rejection in this zone. And if we take a look at the stock RSI, looks like we're headed downwards. Okay. So we can pull up the RSI and we're actually showing bearish divergence over here. We're making a lower high while making higher highs. Okay, so we're making higher highs but lower highs on the RSI. So this is our bearish divergence over here. This is our golden pocket zone. And I expect us to break down from here, which would cause us to rally a little bit more. Okay. Preferably good for the altcoins. And we would be breaking down from this zone, this golden pocket zone. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Also, I wanted to show you with Quant, if we go to the 30-minute time frame, we can see that the 1 hour time frame, we can see this candle right here is a bullish pin bar. So we had our A, B, C, and then we had our bullish pin bar for our rejection off these lows right here. You see what a bullish pin bar looks like? That's what a bullish pin bar is. So everything is looking good for Quant. DXY is looking great. We have our bearish divergence. We have our ABC. We're rejecting from our golden pocket. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. We have our bullish. This is what Bitcoin looks like. I expect us to rebound off these lows, go up to make our E wave, and then come back down and enter our final phases of capitulation. And for Bitcoin, we actually have a bullish pin bar as well over here. See, bullish pin bar, same thing, bullish pin bar. And then let's look at Bitcoin dominance. So if we go on the weekly, we have our trend line here. And let's go to the daily time frame. We are finally rejecting off this zone right here. Okay, and that is very, very good for the altcoins, guys. You should be heavy, heavy, heavy in alts right now. Okay, so we have something like this. Our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. And then our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So when this rejects and when this goes lower, we tend to have an alt season. And what is it doing? It's rejecting off this zone right here. This zone. You see how it's rejecting? And we started our 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're starting our wave 5 downwards for our Bitcoin dominance. Okay, that's it, guys. Everything is looking good. So we have a bearish Bitcoin dominance, which is good for the altcoin market cap. We have Bitcoin forming a possible bullish pin bar going up to do our E wave and then back down. We have our DXY looking bearish and rejecting off our golden pocket with a bearish divergence. We have Quant following the plan as I told you it would, ABC, and then starting our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up to our 195 area. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Take it easy and peace out.